Race fans rejoice after a court order likely ends efforts to replace racing at the Fairgrounds, Nashville. But neighborhood groups say the fight is far from over.
News Channel 5 investigative reporter Levi Ismail has been following this closely from the very beginning. Levi, what does this court decision mean?
Well, Carrie, it's not over until it's over, but this latest court order makes getting those necessary 50,000 plus signatures to put this on a November ballot all the more challenging. Chancellor Patricia Moscow reversed a decision by Metro's Charter Revision Commission, meaning that the petition that would have ended racing at the racetrack now goes back to the very beginning. She agreed with attorneys of former racer Neil Chafin that the title of the proposed charter amendment, quote, does not clearly express its subject, which is to permanently end racing at the city-owned fairgrounds. The petition title read, quote, updating the functions and duties of the Metropolitan Board of Fair Commissioners. Attorneys for the racetrack opposition group Fairgrounds Preservation Partners said that the petition summary made it clear they wanted to replace auto racing as a protected use of the fairgrounds with, quote, affordable or workforce housing. Moscow, however, said the commission should never have approved something with language that could still confuse anyone who signs the petition. While Moscow did not agree with all the arguments made by Chafin's attorneys, they still call this a victory.
So long as the voters of Metro Nashville and Davidson County can go to that ballot box with absolute certainty to know when they vote on an amendment to the charter that what they are voting on, they know the exact outcome and intent that they are casting when they make that vote. That's the ultimate goal and outcome.
Now, those who presented the petition sent us a statement calling it a temporary setback and say they plan to resolve some of the technical issues before refiling the petition shortly. They would still need more than 50,000 signatures to meet the July 5th deadline if they have any chance of putting this on a ballot for November. With News Channel 5 Investigates, I'm Levi Ismail.